Hello friends, my name is Muhammad, and in today's video I am going to tell you an option that's going to help you in doing multiple tasks on a single window. Okay, so let's get started. For example, if I am doing some work on this desktop, I'm using YouTube, I'm watching some of the videos, and I just don't want to get disturbed, and I want to do some of the important work. Okay, I am just shifting to other window by selecting an option task view, and in task view I am just going to select desktop 2. In this you can do multiple works. Okay, you can do other leisure works or important works. For example, you can see this window. Okay, if you want to select more than one window and you want to do more works, you can just select desktop 3 and just do some other works. Okay, like this you can select how much desktop you want. It depends on you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.